everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to add Apple Pay to Shopify store. All you have to do is to log into your Shopify account. Now, kindly go to settings and then look for payments. Tap the payments here. And then as you can see, under payments, you can see different types of payment methods. So you can see here, payment provider, choose payment provider, add payment methods, add manual payment method. So click that one and then tap the search by provider. Now, as you can see here, I type app or Apple. There's no payment provider that appears here. So what we're going to do now is to use a third-party application or third-party payment provider. All you have to do is to go to this side and scroll down. Look for any payment provider here that has this logo. As you can see here, we have CyberSource, we have MasterCard, American, Discover, and we have here Apple Pay. So as you can see, we can use this third-party payment provider for us to add this Apple Pay on our Shopify. Also, when you scroll down, there are lots of other third-party payment providers here that uses Apple Pay. Now, all you have to do is to select the one that suits for you. You can also kindly type Apple here and maybe you can see third-party payment providers that has Apple Pay, or you can scroll down and tap the third-party payment provider that you choose. For example, Stripe. All you have to do is to click, type your email address here, click continue, type your password, and log in. And then after that, you can connect directly to your Apple Pay, or let's just say once you tap this one, then you can just simply add Apple Pay to your Shopify store. As easy as that. Now, if Stripe doesn't work, then you can choose other third-party payment providers here. If you find this informative, please like and subscribe, and see you again in our next videos.